Hello. For quite a few of us, it's a marvellous Monday. Not spectacularly warm, but dry and bright. But for some, it's a really miserable Monday. Across parts of East Anglia and South East England, it's blustery, it's soggy, and it's really quite cold for the end of April. A big area of low pressure dominating over northwest Europe, throwing the rain across the eastern side of England, but it's not really shifting. Heavy bursts of rain, the brighter colours there, moving back into East Anglia, where the winds will actually strengthen further during the rest of today. Elsewhere, the winds are coming down from the north, so it is a bit fresh, but many places dry and bright with some sunshine. One or two scattered showers in western Scotland. We might see temperatures getting up to 13. Generally, we're looking at 10 or 11, but feeling cool on these eastern coasts, and cool does not really cut it for the wet and windy weather across East Anglia and the southeast. 5, 6, 7 Celsius. We do have a warning in force of the rain, giving rise to some pretty bleak conditions on the roads, and those winds, if anything, strengthening through the rest of today across East Anglia, up through parts of Lincolnshire too. And it continues to feel cold with further heavy rain well through the evening rush hour. Elsewhere, it'll stay fine generally and clear through the evening and overnight, and eventually that wet weather will be pulling away from East Anglia and the southeast. With some clearer skies, just a hint of blue on the chart there. Yes, temperatures will be tumbling. Most towns and cities down to 3 or 4, but some close to freezing. And certainly rural parts of northern England, central and eastern Scotland will be below freezing. So a chilly start to Tuesday, but overall it's looking like a sunny start as well. And for many eastern areas, it'll stay that way. Clouding over, though, in the west, a weather front approaching, bringing some rain, trickling into Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland. 1 or 2 scattered showers across England and Wales, and the cloud will increase in the west. But for many, it'll be dry and bright. And look at the temperature contrast. Across the east tomorrow, 14, 15 degrees. It's going to feel like a very, very different day. Whereas in the west, well, it'll be different here, but for other reasons, looking blustery with outbreaks of rain. Now, that wet weather will edge further across Scotland during Tuesday evening, and we'll start to see some rain cropping up by the end of the day into western parts of England and Wales, whereas much of the east will stay dry. It'll probably start dry here on Wednesday. Some question marks about how quickly this rain will clear from Scotland on Wednesday, and it'll slowly head its way eastwards across England and Wales too. Brighter skies following with sunshine and showers, and temperatures around about average for the time of year, but feeling cooler with the wind and the rain. So the weather chopping and changing quite a bit over the next few days, but there are signs of something drier and a bit warmer as we go towards the weekend, which is a bank holiday, of course. We'll have more details on that in the coming days. You can always find out more for yourself through the Met Office website or our social media channels.